Hey Dearborn, this time last year, we launched the first ever step and front porch replacement program, and the response was overwhelming. Over 1,400 residents submitted asking for support with their front porches or their front steps. After reviewing all these applications by our economic development team, they are ready to commence construction fairly soon. By the end of this season, we're going to be assisting dozens of families with brand new front porches or front steps. The homes selected for this year's program met eligibility requirements, but most importantly, they selected the most deteriorated front porches and front steps, helping us avoid and clean up major public health hazards. By the end of this season, many homeowners will have a safer entry into their homes, and that's the goal of this pilot program. We're excited to show you the progress that we've made across our city and to hopefully reopen this program for a next batch of candidates in the years to come.
We noticed probably about 15 years ago that there was a small crack forming, and then the crack turned into a small hole, and then it turned into a bigger hole, and could not find somebody to take on our front stoop. Yeah, my wife saw it. She's like, hey, we might have the answer to our problem. We just need to put in this application. It was pretty simple. We've been residents in Dearborn since the summer of '99, so we really like it here, and we were really excited, to make the house nice. But as I said, it was, this is the one kind of black spot we haven't been able to fix, and we're really hoping that it'll be a nice, shiny new cement porch when we're done.